Oh, hey traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I'm going to put myself on the line. We're going to run through the last handful of trade signals in here and the order blocks that I sent in here. These are both trade ideas that you can get involved in. We had a couple of nice ones today actually. Ethereum, Bitcoin we traded has reached target 1. And the Aussie dollar has reached target 1. Both of these are in the money. These order blocks, I post these in here. If you watched my last video, the idea of this channel is to help you to start thinking for yourself in terms of how you're going to take this trade, your trading plan, entry, etc. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll have a look and see how these last few signals that I've sent in here have performed. Are they any good? That's the question. Well, here's Ethereum. We took this one. That one's currently running in profit. We've closed 70%. The rest of that is a profitable trade. Now, we do have this bearish order block up here. As you can see, I've marked up. I'm inclined to close at the base of this order block and possibly even close my whole position. Being Monday, I don't trust how Monday trades, okay? So I tend to scalp, day trade on Monday, and I like to close out fairly quickly. Right, so what we'll do is we're going to run through. Aussie dollar was one we sent today as well. We better mark that one up. Nice outcome. So we'll start from the top. Aussie yen, this was one I sent in on Friday. And what we're going to do with the video is look at our rules of engagement. Simply put, what we're waiting for here, this is a bullish opportunity. It's a bullish order block. We wait for price to enter the order block as it did here, and we jump in when we see our breakout signal here. So entry would have been right there as it's trading out of the order block. Entry's on the lower time frame, so had a couple of opportunities actually. Well, you may have taken this breakout, pullback retest, that would have been one entry. Stop loss under the order block as we mentioned last week, and then second entry. Aussie dollar, that was today's trade. That was a signal that I sent in with specific entry and stop loss levels. And then the CAD yen was one we had similar to the Aussie yen. Okay, but we're looking for the rotation out of the order block. Okay, we had two opportunities to enter, as you can see. Swissy yen came into the order block way back here. All right, so we're looking for these breakout signals. There's one, and we look for the pullback. There's an entry. Target 1, definitely. And there's another entry over here. And that one looks good. Target 1, definitely. Why do I say target 1? Well, if that's entry and we have our markup here, this blue shaded zone, well, what we're looking for is stop loss to go under that. Okay, target 1-to-1, just short of 1-to-1. That's what I like to take out. Just a little bit short of 1-to-1 risk reward. Once you've taken 70% off, that's profitable. And then you can move your stop loss up and trail it, and the rest is a bonus. Every one of these trades. Now this one, why did we not take it? It moved into our level here, but look, we don't have the signal. See, the signal will get you out of trouble. There's your breakout there. We didn't see it anywhere, so we wait for the rotation. Once it starts to rotate out of the order block, 3-minute chart, there's your signal, breakout, pullback, retest, and there's your trade. Euro Swiss, it's traded into it. We're waiting for it to give us our red triangle. Euro Kiwi, here it is. You probably would have taken that. There's a breakout, retest, that could have been an entry. There's the other entry here, pullback, retest there. See these two lines? That's a weekly and that's a daily level. Well, your stop loss is going to go above that, and that gets you out of trouble. So you could have taken both of those signals. Let's just say entry was here. Stop loss in between or above the yellow one if you want. Well and truly in the money, down to 1-to-3 risk reward. This video won't be a tutorial as such. I just really want to go through and see how these are stacking up and to encourage you to join us. It's only $19.95 a month. Honestly, have a look at the results we're getting here and I mean, do the math. Consider if $19.95 is a good investment. Now, honestly, I am so happy to share my success. So just quickly over to Discord here. There's the free trader zone. You're welcome to join. We had a nice Bitcoin trade in here. But honestly, go to that next level. If you're looking for precision trade signals, this is where it's happening. VIP here. We have both of these sections, trade ideas, trade opportunities that you can take, as I showed you. Go up here, join VIP. Last 38 trade signals, I've included today's trades so far. I guess you'll do the math. Go to the website, tradingwithanthony.com, and I love the community. I love sharing my success. This is extraordinary value, to say the least. Have a look around and see what else is out there. You're not going to find anything that comes anywhere near this, guys. So shout me a burger and chips, okay, once a month, and have access to not only the signals, tutorials, the strategy, the education, everything that goes with them. Okay, with that, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in Discord.